Hello guys, and I'm back once again with another video for you guys. And it is still morning time. I'm still sitting here. And in this video, I just want to talk about something that I'm not sure if it is information is correct or not. The information you get from YouTube or social media cannot be relied upon 100% all the time. So, and I was sleepy, tired last night, so I don't know if I actually saw this or if this was a dream. But let me tell you guys what I'm talking about. I think, and this is purely speculative, I will not put this in the news category, I will put this in a fantasy or speculation category. In this video, it will go in speculation or fantasy category. So what I'm talking about is last night I think I saw in one video in YouTube and that John Jones was responded, kind of not responded, or he just he spoke about people wanting to see him fight Alex Pereira because Alex Pereira is the hottest fighter in the UFC right now. And people are trying to match him up with John Jones. They say that this will be good fight, and I agree with that. And I think it is good challenge for both fighters. And I think I saw Chael Sonnen make a long video about this also. And what I'm talking about is John Jones of his. I think he said that if Alex Pereira wants to fight him, then maybe he will not retire, and I think that will be great. Now, what I would also like John Jones to do is cancel that fight against Stipe Miocic and fight real fighter like Alex Pereira and Tom Aspinall and Curtis Blade, and then also give rematch to Dominic Reyes and put that debate of whether Dominic Reyes won that fight or not to rest once and for all. So that is 4 fights I just laid out there. 4 fights that John Jones can fight and then he can retire. But yes, so about yesterday's video and Chael Sonnen video, it would be great to see John Jones fight Alex Pereira. I think they're both the same size. Alex Pereira might even be bigger than John Jones. He for sure has more muscle and more hard body and more power for sure than John Jones. I'm saying for sure, but I don't know. I'm just this is what people say and this is what is speculated because Alex Pereira knocks out everybody and John Jones does not knock out anybody. Like, I don't think John Jones has ever knocked out anybody. He's won by finish. But not by KO. Like Alex Pereira. So that will be interesting fight. Now John Jones also has habit of not having one game plan for every fight. For example, if someone is a stand-up fighter, he will stand up and fight with them and not try to take them down. Maybe he's not able to take them down, I don't know. We saw in Alex Gustafsson fight that he took Alex Gustafsson down and beat him up in the ground. But after that, with Anthony Smith, with Thiago Santos, with Dominic Reyes he got down briefly, but Reyes was very strong. He got up immediately, so he could not do anything with those takedowns. And it will be interesting to see if John Jones wants to take Alex Pereira down, and if he does, then can Alex Pereira get up? And also interesting to see if John Jones can survive his leg kicks and his kickboxing style or whatever, the punches and kicks he throws. So all of that will be very interesting, and it will be interesting for... So John Jones is my favorite fighter, okay guys, so let me make that clear. And I would root for John Jones in this fight. Although I will not be unhappy for if Alex Pereira beat him. And right now I don't think how John Jones can even beat if he doesn't take him down and beat him by ground and pound. I don't see any other option for John Jones. In his stand-up, he will definitely lose. He will definitely get knocked out, and many people will be very happy. But it is a good challenge for both guys. Interesting fight, and the fight will sell. You know, and the build-up will be good. I think Alex Pereira, even though he does not speak English, I think it is good that he does not speak English, because then there is less chance of him, less opportunity for him to be cringy. So, in a way, it is good that he does not speak English. He just says Shama, and he's very. It is also good kind of trash talk. Like when he heard Jamal Hill calling him out, he just said okay. And I think that is a big good enough response. He just said okay. He did not make long story. Just said okay, which is great response, I think. No, do whatever you can with that. But anyways, this is not about Jamal Hill. This is about Alex Pereira versus John Jones. So if John Jones is is somewhat interested in this fight, and then maybe Dana White should listen to John Jones, cancel Stipe Miocic fight, and give everybody, the fans, the people, the millions and billions of people around the world, the UFC fans, the combat esports fans, this fight. And that is this video. I don't know what the message is from this video. This is just speculation that I heard, and I just made a video about it, which is I don't know what it is. But anyways, guys, like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you comment what you dislike about my video, then maybe I can improve. If you just click dislike button, then I don't know what part of my video you did not like, so I don't know what improvement to make. So tell me, guys, why you dislike my video, and tell me, guys, why you like my video, and subscribe whether you like or dislike. Okay, guys? Alright then, have a good day. Have a very good day. If you're out walking your dog, please remember to clean up after your dog, because if people walk, they might step into that shit that your dog left behind, which is not good. So pick up after your dog, and have a good day, and be happy, guys. Alright then, talk to you later. Bye.